is about partial fractions. So the first step is to check the order. Order means the highest power of x. In the numerator it's 2. In the denominator after we expand it's 3. So this is a proper algebraic fractions. We don't have to do long division. We can just do the partial fractions decomposition. So now we need to check, we need to decide which forms we have to use. We use this form because of 3 minus x, simple linear, and we use this form because of the unfactorizable quadratic. So we gotta use something linear here. Now we multiply both sides by the denominator, so we cancel out. We have only the numerator on the left. On the right, after we multiply, so this times this, we cancel out. We have only a times something, and we multiply, they cancel out. We have bx plus c times something. Now we're gonna need to separate the coefficients in different terms. So let's just split this bx times something and c times something like this. We have 3 separate terms for each a, b, c coefficients. And now we decide what values of x we have to plug in so that we get the values of a, b, and c as fast as possible. So the trick is to use the 0. So 0 means the values of x that makes the terms go to 0. So here if we plug in x equals 3, if you plug in x equals 3, this is 3, this term will go to 0, this term will go to 0. We can find the a directly. So just replace the x with 3, replace this x and this x also with 3, and this x also with 3, and use a calculator. What do you get on the left and on the right? And you get the value of a, and we have another 0 we can use from here. So we use x equals 0. On the left it's only 5, on the right, well, this is 0 times 3, which is 0. 0 times 0 plus 1 is 1, so we have 1 times a, but we already know that the a is 2. So the a, we already know it's 2, and from here we have 1, and this is just 0. And if this is 0, we have 3 times c, we can find the c. And we have the a and the c. To find the b, we can plug in anything random, but just use something simple like 1. So this is 1, this is 1, and we get this. And if it's 1, we get 4. So 4 times a, but the a is 2. And plug in 1, we have 1 times 2 times b. And plug in 1, we get 2 times c, but we already know that the c is 1. So we can find the b. After we find the a, b, c, we get the final answer. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time.